Ever stop to really look at a snail? We see them all the time, but we rarely see them. These little creatures, often dismissed as slow and slimy, are actually masterpieces of evolution, carrying millions of years of survival secrets in their spiral shells. Today, let's take a deep dive into the extraordinary world of the humble snail. First, let's talk about that famous slowness. The common garden snail moves at about 1.3 centimeters per second. That's not a weakness. It's a superpower. This deliberate pace is an incredibly efficient strategy for conserving energy. And their movement is a biomechanical marvel. They glide on a single, muscular organ called a foot, creating tiny waves of contraction that ripple from back to front. The secret ingredient, slime? This mucus isn't just goo, it's a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as a perfect lubricant when the snail is moving. But when it stops, the slime turns into a powerful glue. This is how they can effortlessly climb walls and hang upside down, completely defying gravity. Now, look closer at their head. Those two long, stocky things, those are their eyes, placed up high for a better view of the world. Just below them are two shorter tentacles. These are their noses and fingers, packed with sensors for smelling and feeling their surroundings. And here's something incredible. If a predator snips off an eye stalk, many snails can just grow it back, complete with a new eye. It's an amazing feat of regeneration that scientists are still studying. You might think snails just munch on your garden lettuce, but their diet is surprisingly diverse. Many are nature's cleanup crew, recycling decaying leaves and plants, but some are fearsome hunters. The rosy wolf snail, for example, is a cannibal that hunts other snails and slugs, tracking them by their slime trails before devouring them. And in the ocean, things get even more intense. Meet the cone snail. This underwater assassin uses a harpoon-like tooth to inject a potent cocktail of venom that can paralyze a fish instantly. This venom is so powerful, scientists are studying it to create new types of painkillers for humans. When it comes to romance, snails are truly in a league of their own. Most land snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. So when two snails mate, they can fertilize each other at the same time. But some species take it a step further with a bizarre ritual involving love darts. Before mating, they actually try to stab each other with a sharp calcareous dart. This isn't an attack. It's a form of hormonal manipulation. The dot delivers hormones that make it more likely for the shooter's sperm to fertilize the other snails. It's a high-stakes game of genetic warfare disguised as romance. And have you ever wondered about snail teeth? They don't have a jaw like we do. Instead, they have a tongue-like organ called a radula, which is like a flexible ribbon covered in thousands of tiny, sharp teeth. They use it like a file to scrape and grind their food. The numbers are mind-boggling. Some species of limpets, a type of sea snail, kunjav, nearly 200,000 teeth on their. In fact, this structure is one of the strongest biological materials ever discovered. Snails are ancient survivors. They've been on this planet for over 500 million years, which means they've watched the dinosaurs come and go. They've conquered almost every environment on Earth, from scorching deserts to the deepest parts of the ocean. Down near hydrothermal vents, thousands of meters deep, lives the scalyfoot snail. To survive the crushing pressure in toxic water, it builds its shell out of iron sulfides, creating a literal suit of natural armor. So, the next time you see a snail inching its way across the pavement, maybe don't just step over it. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible, complex life packed into that tiny body. They are a testament to survival, innovation, and the quiet power of a slow and steady existence. They remind us that true wonder can be found in the most unexpected and overlooked corners of our world. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the natural world.